Hello everyone, welcome to Ninja Education. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do it quickly. Today we are going to discuss your lesson number 3 of your class 10th maths, and which is pair of linear equations in two variable. Till now, if you have seen my all the previous parts of this chapter, in that we had discussed on how to solve a pair of linear equation by various methods. Today we are going to start a very interesting topic, and which is equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variable. That means some equations are that which are not given in the form of a pair of linear equations, but we can reduce that equation as in a pair of linear equation. How to that we are going to discuss by example. But if you have seen till now, we have applied various methods, we have solved various sums. In that all, a pair of linear equations is directly given in its standard form. Here what we need to do, we need to first reduce this equation in a pair of linear equation, and then we are going to solve. Now let's see. Solve the pair of equation 2 upon x plus 3 upon y is equal to 13 and 5 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to minus 2. Two equations are given. We can rewrite this equation as 2 into 1 upon x plus 3 into 1 upon y is equal to 13. Yes, we can write. Let's indicate this as equation 1. Second one, 5 into 1 upon x minus 4 into 1 upon y is equal to minus 2. Let's consider this as equation 2. Now, I am going to substitute this 1 upon x as p and 1 upon y is equal to q. That means we are going to write p instead of 1 upon x and q instead of 1 upon y. Let's do it. 2 into 1 upon x, that means p, plus 3 into 1 upon y. 1 upon y is equal to q is equal to 13. Second one, 5 into 1 upon x, that means p, 5p, minus 4 into 1 upon y, that means 4q is equal to minus 2. Let's consider this as equation 3 and equation 4. So my dear student, as you can see, now we are having equation as a pair of linear equation in two variable. That means these equations are ready to solve. And how to solve this equation, that already we have discussed in the previous parts of this chapter. So that is not I am going to solve over here. If you are not knowing yet, please go through that all the videos so that you are able to solve these equations. And if we are going to solve, you are going to get the value of p is equal to 2 and value of q is equal to 3. I am writing direct solution over here because I have already discussed how to solve a pair of linear equation in my previous parts. So if you are going to solve this by applying any method, you are going to get the value of p is equal to 2 and value of q is equal to 3. But what is our p? Our p is equal to 1 upon x, that means p is equal to 1 upon x is equal to 2, and our q is 1 upon y is equal to 3. So if you are going to get the value of x from here, x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. So here we got the value of x and y. That means if we are going to put this value of any of this equation, it is going to satisfy by the value of x and y. So my dear student, this is how you can reduce any equation in the pair of linear equation. And next, after reducing this equation in pair of linear equation, you all are knowing how to solve and get the value of x and y. So my dear student, here we are going to end this chapter over here. I hope you all have understood this chapter very well. Till my next video, till we are going to start next chapter, keep learning with Ninja Education.